What's up guys, we are going on a snorkeling adventure today. Oh hello, beautiful Suzuki Baleno rental. You are looking fun as always. Shout out to No Birds for the best rates on rental cars here in Perth. Not paying me to say that, but they might give me a little shum if they see this video. Highly unlikely. Oh, it's a scorcher today. Oh, as my mom would say, lutong itlog mo. Snorkeling spot, very popular. It's called Coogee Beach. This old ship that was shipwrecked there back in 1905 from a boat that left South Fremantle. It's close to the beach, just 25 meters off the coast.
There's a shark net.
Which is great because as I'm recording this video, there was a shark attack here in Perth in the Swan River in Australia. Even if you're in a river, a shark can maul you and kill you. This 16-year-old girl was killed. She was swimming there with her mates at around 3 p.m. just swimming in the Swan River, the last place I would even think that it could happen. I think there was a shark sighting. Don't think anyone ever died there, but that was like 100 years ago. It was a bull shark too, apparently, but there's a shark net, so we should be all right. And
there was a stingray at Rockingham Beach yesterday.
Aren't there always stingrays there?
I have no idea, but now I'm like, why?
Coogee Beach. Like two gorillas in a jungle making love. That is our baon bag where we keep the lunch that Ling prepared.
And now I have to carry.
Look at Ling carrying all the bags. Just like a... I'll carry the baggie, the esky.
Oh yeah, it is right there, right?
Oh damn.
Holy shit.
There it is. Bit choppy today, but yeah. Time to slip, slap, slop. And of course, the ice cream truck parks right over there. They knew where we were. They knew where Ling was, rather.
You're trying to shame me for being a fat girl?
I'm fat shaming Ling for liking ice cream. Thanks for doing my back. Ow! Cheers, mate. Shit out there. Way too windy. The sand's been kicking up. There's zero visibility. We picked a really bad day to do this. It is so bad.
Really?
You can't see a goddamn thing. There's too much sand because of the waves.
Well, I guess that's a sign to come back.
Oh man. I just got a good gulp of that salt water. Just swallow. Oh, he's got something. Wow, he caught it. You gonna jump? Leaving the shark's barrier.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
That was a disappointment. So, what'd you think of the shipwreck footage? Pretty awesome, huh? Couldn't even see the seabed floor. It was a very windy day. On a normal non-windy day, the water is very calm. It's great for beginners and children to learn how to snorkel. I couldn't even see my hands in front of me in the water, let alone the Omeo Shipwreck. But that just means that we have to come back here. And I'm probably gonna say that and then look back on this footage and be like, why didn't we come back here? Editing this footage 3 months later, and I can say that 3-month-old me back there was absolutely right. We never returned to the Omeo Shipwreck. And there is a part of me that does kind of regret it, but what can you do? Just as a side note, I'm editing this footage right now in Bali, Indonesia. So it's such a trip to see Perth because I've already closed that chapter and now I'm just kind of revisiting those old memories. And I'm here by myself. Ling is not with me, and you'll find out why in future episodes once we get around to the Indonesia portion of this channel. Enjoy the rest of the vlog. But it was worth it because it was still a very nice beach. I like cool water, but this is like resort vacation temperature water, and we got to jump off that pier, which was fun. Well, that was it. Did you have fun? We'll see you guys next week on our trips here. I don't know what we're doing next week, but I'll have something. Don't you worry about that. See you in the next video.